You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say ma'am or madam in French. How do you say it in France? This is how you spell it, and it is said as madame. Madame, as in bonjour madame, au revoir madame. Madame is how to say ma'am or madam in French. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support. More videos here to learn more French vocabulary. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.